Well, got this feeling.
Make a good video.
So guys, welcome back to the channel. As you'll see in the background, right Dan?
Hello.
The footage you just saw was from 2 nights ago where I observed everybody that actually knows what they're doing taking apart the Megane. No.
We don't know what we're doing.
Mate, they don't know what they're doing. I'm not having
The
that.
internet tells us we don't know what we're doing.
Yeah, well, that's true. That's also. But yeah, we're fast forwarding a couple of days because I've been away editing. And in front of me is many parts and a George. Right, mate?
Ignore him.
I've got a sore finger.
Sore finger.
This one's sore.
He's also got a sore arsehole from spending money.
Nice. You've been on the internet pressing buy on a lot of things for this, so I would like to say shout out to George for pressing buy on a lot of things. Today though we have the Megane engine in front of us that's out of the car, and what's changed because it come out of the car with bits on it.
Standard car.
It was just a standard car, wasn't it?
Totally standard.
Yeah. And that's not standard, is it now?
It's got a hybrid on it.
Yeah.
I was looking for a better actuator, but we might just have to run it, and whatever pressure it blows open at is...
It just does, yeah.
Yeah.
But this is a hybrid turbo.
Hybrid turbo, 630cc injectors. Decat, but we're obviously
if it is going on the
to have
road,
a sports cat
yes,
afterwards where it can be removed
because
for
you
track
can,
days,
you know,
because I am the pinnacle of legality.
Yes, I'm the pinnacle of legality. I don't want to make sure that we're doing this correct.
We need to do this correctly, so we're going to have we're gonna have a sports cat.
Love this
because it
sports
needs to be legit.
Yeah.
So
Timing belt water pump.
yeah, time belt
and water pump,
Yeah.
guys. So
Full service.
because this vehicle that it came out of was sat for, we're saying 4 years. This car was sat after many things going slightly wrong with it. It did need those small things
It's the
happening.
same as going back to the Clio. When we done the Clio, the engine expired. We'd done a timing belt and water pump on that.
Yeah, and it's still
It's
just
just
let
standard
go.
procedure. We're going to go out and
did the
drive it
phaser
up.
on that as well.
Done. Yeah.
Yeah, it did the whole lot actually.
Yeah,
so
that service. What clutch did we put in it? It's an half clutch we put in it.
R26R.
26 half clutch.
R26R clutch, which, because the car needed a clutch anyway, upgrading is the right way to go
So
slightly.
anyone who has done this conversion, yes, we haven't done it. No, we don't have a clue, but we're going to give it a go.
Yeah, we're going to have a go anyway. Yeah, capable hands and all that. There was Ryan here the other day. He has done one. He has done one. He's owned one in the past. So, yeah, pretty cool that the engine is sat ready to go sort of in the car now.
Yeah, going in Saturday.
Yeah, going in Saturday, so the Clio engine comes out. In the background over there, though, just done a little unboxing for the internet. And that's actually for a Megane that you're going to custom make to fit the Clio and the Megane engine.
The Clio and the Megane would come out the top on this side. This has got some pipe work that sends it out the top. I think it's that one.
Yeah.
If we have to, I'll just cut the end can, remake the end can,
Yeah.
and have it so it comes out wherever.
Okay.
So it's not a big issue, but yeah, it's a Megane kit, but we're going to make it fit.
Yeah, nice. So that'll be all going in afterwards, though. That's just fabrication to make it work.
Cut some pipes up, maybe
Yeah.
make an end can or something.
Yeah. Is there intercooler kits out there for
Meglio?
Meglio
Yeah.
swap?
AirTech do a really nice kit.
Yeah, nice. But because you've got the abilities, what I'm saying, you've got the abilities to do this.
Yeah,
you sort of have a go yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah. Have a go yourself, see what
Have a
happens.
go.
Yeah, you
What's
never
the
know.
worst going to happen? It's not going to fit, and I'll have to sell it,
Yeah. Or put it in the bin.
or just chuck it upstairs with all the
Chuck
rest
it
of the stuff that
upstairs.
didn't work.
All the other stuff that didn't work like that. Yeah, so loads of progress actually. I wasn't here for it because we were doing a lot of stuff, but
While you're in it as well, quick subject change.
we've got,
Our nice new dyno extraction is all in as well.
look at this. Yes.
Courtesy of the 2 camera shy people.
Yeah,
Right,
people
man.
behind George over there.
They were the lovely people that put it all together, so thank you to them.
So look at this. There is a huge blower or sucker blower
Yeah.
up there.
And that's just George.
We've got more stuff. Oh, even more stuff. He's been clicking a lot, hasn't he? He's been on the internet clicking this kid, I tell you. Yeah, but dyno is even more. Right, okay. Yeah, dyno is actually back in situ, huge ducting going all the way out of the building now.
Just ignore him.
What are you doing?
Yeah, just ignore him.
It's out of control. Yeah, so interesting, huge update really for the dyno. We're going backwards and forwards here. Sorry, lads.
Table tennis.
Yeah, mad. He's been on it, isn't he?
I know.
Yeah, so that's cool. If you need your car dynoed, this is like on another level here now.
Or if you need anything installing, SLN renovations, Sean and Sam.
Yeah. In the background, shout out. Look at this steering wheel.
Adjustable top mounts.
Yeah.
Three-way or four-way adjustable, whatever they said they were.
What's going on here?
I think they're made by Brake.
Oh, yeah.
K-Tech.
Oh yeah, nice of them.
And
They're one that need a massive shout. K-Tech have been a
Yeah,
massive
I was just about to go down that route that K-Tech have really come through on this one with the knowledge and everything.
Carbon Loren race pads.
Yeah,
to go with
which,
the hard carbon discs.
So the Carbon Loren, we're saying that right, I'm not really sure, but that's like a hidden gem in the track day market where not a lot of people know about that brand or pads, and considerably more money, but K-Tech were saying that that's the right way to go.
Yeah, they said they're awesome on these. So.
Yeah, so we will bring them in, show you guys when they're here, and when we do take this to a track and actually test them out, we'll sort of give quite a good verdict on that, I think.
We do have some time booked.
That is booked.
You do.
We have track time booked.
So we do have a date.
Pressure's on. We're not going to say what the date is, but the pressure is on, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
To get this in the hole of the Clio and running and not boosting. Yeah, not blow up, yeah.
56 days remaining.
56 days.
It's going to get done.
Yeah. Dan is like
But
hopeful.
by the time this video goes out, it's probably going to be about
2 weeks, probably.
George will be another £3,000 in debt.
Yeah, that's just keep buying. Just keep
No,
buying.
I'm not buying anymore.
Yeah, I'm not doing it.
Not doing it.
So yeah, next video will actually be in 2 days' time for us. It's getting the Clio in here and getting that engine out. We also already know what happened to the engine, but it'd be interesting to see the actual hole in it when it's like out as well.
I think we all know.
We all know.
It was.
There's a hole in the engine.
It had a lot of miles on it.
Yeah,
it had oil pressure issues, and
put our finger in
we also had piston failure.
And I also goaded you guys to, put it on the dyno, it'd be a great time, and then obviously it let go. But we're here to resurrect that, don't worry about it. We've got like a beautiful engine going in.
Well, it's not beautiful.
I mean, it's pretty manky, but
We'll see how it goes.
It's got a nice turbo.
We'll see how it goes.
Yeah.
Two choices.
If we enjoy it, then maybe we'll do it better.
Yeah.
But for now,
Can I just ask as well, because some people out there might be asking, what sort of power will it run with that turbo and injectors on it? Do we know?
so I think the turbo and injectors will do about 320.
Yeah.
We're not going to run 320.
You're capping it at sort of, what, mid-2s, high-2s?
I think they say the absolute maximum these rods can take is about 300.
Right, okay. So you want to be at 280 then, I suppose? Do you?
But some people do 320 on these rods. But
Bloody hell.
If we can get a fast spool, say 280, it's perfect.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
like the 197 isn't slow on track.
And it's a
people have
light
probably got
car
to
as
know,
well, yeah.
And they handle well. So all it's doing really is just getting that little bit of a shove down the track.
Exciting times. Well, this should go well, hopefully, and we'll get that Clio in and start pulling it apart
try and get an actuator.
and get an actuator as well. There's that too.
Or just see what it blows open at.
No, but you're not spending no more money.
I'm not buying an LSD. That's what I said.
Oh yeah, so there is a big thing actually. Could you leave a comment below? George isn't buying an LSD, and I understand, but also everybody else think he should. So there's that too.
Buying an LSD.
I'm not buying an
If I do
LSD.
anything, I just buy an R26 box with an LSD in it.
Yeah, that's a good point. Oh, they're already factory in now, I suppose, aren't they?
As long as it's
All these
NDO
nice people that
002 or
take
something.
LSD say it's really good.
You should try it.
I wouldn't know.
I wouldn't know.